Because that was the end of the pack. I was already 2.5 minutes into the pack when you got that pass.
So you think on a fresh battery?
Yeah, and this is slightly higher discharge.
We'll see.
I don't need to go that far back, but I'm going to anyway just because.
For the aesthetic.
Yeah.
Takeoff flaps. Timer cleared.
All right, you ready?
Yeah.
Gear up. Flaps up.
That rotation.
Yeah, this one I'm gonna get a pretty good dive on this one.
I'm a little scared.
Don't be.
Scared.
Don't be. Oh, come on! You can do better than that.
Wait, come on, you gotta take it up a notch.
See if we can get it, because I backed off.
112.
All right, let's do better. I can do better.
Still got 4 miles an hour to go.
Oh, let's do better. I won't get off the throttle. I'm gonna stay on it.
Alright.
Timer 118.
Ah!
Getting slow.
119's pretty good though.
Still 4 miles an hour.
You're better. I gotta do the dive closer to you.
You gotta really crank it.
I'm gonna do the dive closer because
Give it all it's got.
I'm coming from way out there.
Give her all she's got, right? You got.
All right, you ready? Woohoo! Yeah, buddy! Yeah, buddy! Yeah! So I just got to dive closer to you. So I bet you I was like 126. I bet you it was. All right, so let's see how I do. I'm going to do the dive closer. You don't need to freak out.
Just lay down on the airstrip. You won't, did you?
Time remaining 1 minute.
119.
Ah, okay. So that was good. I got 124. That's not bad.
I can still beat it.
Whoa, and I felt the vortice hit me in the face. That was cool. It's not bad for a foam bird.
For a foamy,
I mean,
124 is pretty good.
granted that was a terminal velocity dive, but still.
Yeah. It'll only go exactly 125.
30 seconds.
Woohoo! Victory roll.
If I had another battery,
No, you could easily push 130 in that, I'm sure. If you did a dive like I just did and
I don't know if I trust my airplane.
came at me, it would probably flutter. That's what I'm thinking.
Yeah, I don't want to flutter.
I was kind of worried about flutter on this, but
10.
I was waiting for it to go
9,
whoa and do that weird wobble.
7.
Held together, though.
This thing's quick.
Considering how many
4,
flights this thing has
3,
on it.
2, 1. Time expired.
60
Gear
back.
down.
This thing's fun. I'm still loving it. After
Landing
all these
flaps.
years, on it, almost 3 years old. It's been to hell and back. I flew at Bayland, so it's got a lot
Baylands must be just really rough.
of extra
I feel like Baylands is
wear
really
and tear.
rough on EDFs. Baylands is where EDFs go to die.
Hey, we did pretty good with this thing.
124. Hey, it beat a very fast composite jet.
Yeah, that's not bad. And altogether, the plane only cost about $350.
Hey, I paid 300 for my hobby.
Not more than that. Probably about 400. Not bad. Not bad. Not bad.
Not too shabby.
124, baby.